Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be tackling this right here, my refrigerator and my freezer. It's not super dirty, but it is dirty. It needs to be wiped down and clean, and then it needs to be organized because y'all, let me just give you a glimpse. Stuff's everywhere and it needs to be fixed. Alright, so I'm going to be making my water, bleach, and Tide mixture to clean my refrigerator, freezer, and pantry because I want to make sure that anything, germs and whatnot that are in there, I make sure that I get them killed and cleaned out and gone. Alright, so guys, let me know in the comments down below, how often do you clean your refrigerator? I try to do a quick clean of it before my monthly grocery haul, and then I kind of deep clean it whenever I'm just like, oh, okay, yeah, I see dirt. It needs to be cleaned out for sure. eggs that did not fit in my egg container, I went ahead and put in my Instant Pot and hard boiled them for salads. But it was kind of interesting that the iDesign egg bin is 21 eggs, but if I bought 2 dozen, it would be 24. Kind of weird, but whatever. So I've really been wanting to get a chest freezer for my garage because sometimes you find really good deals on meats and things and you want to stock up on it, and I can't because my freezer space is limited. So this is what we're starting with. It's not catastrophic, but it's definitely not how it usually is. So let's see if we can make it a little bit better. Alright y'all, so this top shelf, I'm able to get out like the beginning of the stuff, but like way back in the corners, it's way too far. So when I put stuff back, I'm not going to put it all the way back to the wall, just because it's hard for me to reach because I'm a little bit vertically challenged. But my son likes it because here recently he's decided to grow taller than me, and he likes that I'll call him over to grab stuff that I can't reach anymore. Alright, so this is everything out of my pantry. It takes up multiple counters. Let's organize it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like it, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already. And stay blessed.